most people are using AI the wrong way. They think it's just some cool toy to make tweets, blogs, or short videos. They use it to sound smart or look busy. But that's not where the real magic is. What most people don't realize is that AI is quietly changing how people are making real money online by helping regular people sell high-priced services in a way that's simple and smart. This isn't about chatbots or weird gimmicks. It's about using AI like a sidekick, like your own personal assistant who never sleeps, never gets tired, and helps you build a real business that you can grow. I mean, as a matter of fact, I personally use artificial intelligence in my business every single day, and so far, I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit, and that's why I'm making this video. Here's the thing, everyone online is talking about AI. You've seen it, you've heard it. AI will replace everything. AI is gonna write your book. AI will cook your dinner. People toss the word around like comfy, but most of them don't even know how to use it properly. They treat it like a magic wand when it's actually more like a calculator for your business brain. It doesn't do the work for you, but it helps you do the work smarter and faster. The real power of AI isn't about sounding fancy or pretending to be a robot. It's about helping you make better decisions and move quicker. Think of it like this. It's not about replacing humans. It's about helping humans win faster. Let's make it even simpler. Imagine you're playing a video game. Some people are walking through the game level by level, trying to figure it out. But others, they use a map or a GPS. That's AI. It's your map, your GPS. It shows you where to go, what to avoid, and how to level up faster. People who don't use AI are just guessing and hoping. But the people who use AI properly, they're winning without wasting a lot of time. Most businesses that say they're AI powered are just trying to sound cool. But the real winners are the people using AI quietly behind the scenes to understand their audience, create offers, and close deals. Now, let's talk about the first step in any business, research. Now, to be honest, that part usually takes forever. But with AI, it can take hours or minutes. Let's say you want to help people lose weight, or fix their sleep, or grow their small business. Instead of guessing what they need, you can use AI to go look at real conversations online. It can analyze Reddit, Quora, YouTube comments, Amazon reviews. These are places where people are already talking about their problems. Then you copy all that text and ask AI, hey, what are the top problems people are having with this topic? And it will tell you, right there, in plain and simple English. You can also say, what do people wish they had? What are they afraid of? What words are they using? Now you're not making stuff up. You're getting to know their real feelings, real words, and real problems. That's how you build something that people actually want. You let them tell you what they want. And then you can even go one step further. You can tell AI, pretend you are my ideal customer. Let's say you're selling a product or a service to help new moms who want to lose baby weight. You can say, hey AI, act like a 35-year-old mom with 2 kids who's tried every diet but still can't lose weight. And it will talk to you like that mom. Now you can ask her questions. You can understand how she feels, what she's scared of, what she wants, how she wants it. It's like interviewing your customer without actually having to find one. That kind of clarity, that's priceless. Because now, when you go to sell something, you're not guessing. You're talking directly to the heart of the person who needs you. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Once you know who you're helping and what they want, it's time to build an offer. This is where most people mess up. They try to create some cheap little product and sell it for $7 or maybe $97. That's a very hard game. You would need to sell hundreds, maybe thousands to make real money. And that means a lot of stress, a lot of pressure. That means potential burnout. But there's a much better way, a smarter way. What if instead of selling something cheap to a lot of people, you sold something valuable just to a few? What if you had a program or service that helped someone fix a big problem and you charged $2,000 or even $5,000 for it? Then you only need a few people each month to make $10,000. No crazy ads, no endless content, just simple, deep help for the people who actually need it the most. And here's what's amazing with AI. It helps you make that offer faster. You can say, hey AI, help me write a powerful description of this program. In just a minute, done. Help me write emails to get people excited. Done. Help me write a landing page that speaks to the exact problems people have. Done. Help me prepare for a sales call so I know what to say if someone says it's too expensive. Done. You don't need to guess. You don't need to Google for hours. You just ask, and the work gets easier. The path gets clearer. You move faster. Now, let's talk about how to actually put this business together. You only need a few pieces. First, you choose a problem that is worth between $1,000 and $10,000 to solve. That usually means helping someone with health, money, love, or business. These are the problems people care about and pay for. If you've solved it for yourself, or you've helped others with it, you can build a business around it. Then go look at your competition. You use AI again. You say, hey AI, show me what other people are offering in this space. What are they doing well? What are they missing? And boom, you find your edge. You figure out how to make your offer better and stand out. Next, you build a simple system to attract people. You make a lead magnet. So it basically is something free and useful that gets people interested, like a free guide, checklist, or a video. Use AI to help you create it. Then send a few helpful emails. Again, AI can write those emails. And they build trust. They show people that you know what you're talking about. Then you invite them to book a call with you or watch a short video where you explain how you can help. That's it. That's the whole funnel. Lead magnet, emails, calls, that's it. There's no crazy tech or no super complicated steps. It's just a straight line from, hey, I have this problem, it's painful, I can't tolerate it, to, wow, this person has a solution and can help me. What you sell can be anything that gets results. You can do one-on-one coaching, you can do consulting, you can build a service that does the work for them. You can even sell a course, as long as you give a white glove experience, meaning you treat people great and you help them every step of the way. So it's kind of a hybrid model. But the most important thing is this. People don't pay high prices for information. They pay for results. They want a transformation. So your job is to make sure your offer gets people from point A to point B with your help. Now let's talk about the money side. If you sell something for $2,000 and you get just 5 clients per month, that's $10,000 per month. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need 1 million followers to get started. Hell, I don't even have 10K followers. You just need one offer that solves one big problem for one type of person. And with AI doing the heavy lifting, this becomes way easier. You can use it to research, write, plan, test, and improve anything that you do. So you're not starting from zero. You're starting with help. And the best part is, this doesn't cost much to start. You don't need an office, you don't need a team, you don't need a huge budget. All you need is a laptop, some time, and a little bit of courage. You use AI like a toolbox. You pull out the right tool for the right job, and you build a business that actually works. You help people, you make money, you stay in control. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. If you want some tools to make this even easier, here are a few. Use ChatGPT to do your research, write your copy, and simulate your customer. Use Notion with AI built into it to organize your plans, tasks, and content. If you want help with writing that sounds more natural or creative, you can try Jasper or Copy.ai. For sales calls, record them with Fireflies or TLDV. These tools basically write down what you said and help you figure out how to improve. And if you care about how your brand looks, use Midjourney or DALL-E to make cool images without hiring a designer. The truth is, most people online are still stuck trying to sell cheap stuff to everyone. They're making things much harder than they need to be. But you can do it differently. You can sell smarter. You can go high ticket. You can use AI the right way. Not to make noise, but to make money. Not to show off, but to serve people better. That's why this right now is the most underrated way to start an online business with AI. Now, if you're serious about becoming financially free this year, then click the link in the description below. I've made a video where I'm explaining how I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit with my business using what I call the PTP method. And you can also book a free call with me or my team and we'll help you come up with a custom game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast, and soon we'll take that video down. So click on the link in the description below. Watch the video and book your free call while spots are still open. And with that said, I'll see you on the other side.